Greetings everyone. So today we are going to show you how the sample packaging for COVID is done. This is broadly based on the ICMR guidelines as is available on the website. So you have the VTM tube where the sample is being taken from the nasopharyngeal or oropharyngeal swabs. Now how to pack this VTM tube? First and foremost, what you have to do, put a parafilm. This parafilm is to be wrapped around the neck of the tube so that there is no leakage as such. After you have done this thing, you have to make sure that this tube is packed by the absorbent material. It could be a gauze piece or a cotton. So you wrap it with the gauze and put a rubber band around it. After having done this, this has to go into the first packing material, the first ziplock, where you put this thing inside the ziplock. Once inside the ziplock, seal it properly and put another rubber band around it. So this is your first layer of packing done. After this is done, you can put this thing inside the second ziplock. There's a possibility that you have a small container where you can put it in a separate container also. That also constitutes a second level. After doing the second level, you can put your TRF, the filled TRF form inside the second ziplock. Yeah, this is TRF. I'm sure you know how to fill this one. So you fill it, put it inside the second number. Okay, so after the second layer of packing, we come to the final layer where the sample is now kept inside the thermocol bag with an ice pack inside. This is sealed from all the four sides by tape or any kind of packing material you have. You could seal it from all the four ends, and then you put it inside the cardboard box. Close the box. All the required instructions of what the sample type is like, the code, the category of the sample, who's the person who's going to receive it and where it is coming from, that should be mentioned on the cardboard box. That's how you do the sample packing.